Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Hamilton Dual Sandwich Maker 3 years later. So I made another video on the Hamilton Beach Sandwich Maker, which is right what you see over here. And this still works really well. It's very easy to clean. So with cleaning, I do hand clean it. I don't throw this in a dishwasher. You're able to make 2 sandwiches at once. With the bottom plate, I usually just wipe this off. This right here, this just disconnects and I just hand wash it. Same thing with the other side. And then the top portion just wipes off as well. So with this Hamilton Beach Dual Sandwich Maker, you do have to make sure that the bread that you put inside fits. So we use Thomas English muffins and that easily fits inside of here. As far as heating up goes, once you plug it in, it automatically heats up within, I'd say, less than a minute. Like it's ready to go. There's not a long waiting period. And what I normally do is I put bread here, cheese, the meat, then I close it, use cooking spray, then I add an egg, and then I go ahead and close it up with the last piece of the muffin. It's very compact, I'd say. So we did bring this camping once and we've had no problems with it. But if you're looking for a dual sandwich maker, one that's easy to clean, one that actually works, and just something to just make your breakfasts a lot easier. Like I used to cook breakfast on a pan, and that would require a lot of cleanup. And at the same time, you'd still have to assemble the sandwich. So why not do everything all together where you assemble the sandwich and once it's done, you kind of shift this to the side, open it up, and it's ready to go. So I absolutely love this thing and I'm so glad it's still running even 3 years later. So this is a great piece of equipment. It's one of the staples in our kitchen. We keep it out all the time, but we've had no problems with it whatsoever.